On April 2021, a Southeast Asian corporation by the name of Grab announced that it plans to go public through a special purpose acquisition company, or SPAC for short. This deal had valued the ride-hailing turned super app as a $40 billion company, making it the largest ever SPAC deal in history, far surpassing even the largest behemoths of American giants. So how did a startup company go from being a ride-hailing business to a gigantic super app that operates in food delivery, financial services, mobility services, and even in venture funds? To know that, we must first know that Grab didn't start as a super app. It rather only started as an actual taxi service called MyTeksi, and it was located in Malaysia. The initial goal was to make riding public transportation or taxis safer and better. Eventually, the app quickly went from only serving the country of Malaysia in 2012 to expanding in the Philippines, Singapore, and Thailand only a year after its inception. Its rise to fame in just a few years proved excellent visionary founders. By 2014, it has become the dominant app that everybody knows about in Southeast Asia as it goes into Vietnam and Indonesia. During that time, it was competing with an American-based company famously known as Uber. But by 2018, Grab and Uber strike a deal that would have the Southeast Asian company acquire all of Uber's business in the region, and in exchange for some equity in the company. This would then embark Grab as the dominant player in the region. By this time, it had already been offering both financial services such as GrabPay and food delivery known as GrabFood. It has slowly gained traction in becoming a super app. Eventually, it got into more fields: Grab Kitchen, Grab Mart, Grab Finance, Grab Insurance, and even Grab Defense fraud detection and prevention system. Today, Grab operates as an app that is slowly aiming to have everything integrated within it, which means it far surpasses the potential to become bigger compared to previous competitors like Uber. It might even become the next $100 billion company of Southeast Asia just after Sea Limited, the company behind Shopee and Garena. This figure alone already identifies how an average user already interacts with the app on a daily basis. Whether it is someone who's on the go or someone who stays at home, the app serves everything a user may need. Although the majority of its business still resides in older products, its future prospects are still brighter than ever. According to its financial estimates, the company is expected to generate over $1.1 billion by the end of 2022, but by 2024, just 2 years after, it is estimated close to $3 billion. What's more is that this is just the beginning for the company. By the time it had gone public, it announced that the estimated total addressable market it has is at $180 billion by 2025. The company also reported that they're the most well-positioned company in the region to take the opportunity of this large and fast-growing market. Just from the population of the region alone, 630 million citizens present unparalleled opportunities. But just because it has made a reckoning in the region does not mean it'll stay there forever. There is more to its future than just being a super app in Southeast Asia. It may even become one of the super apps around the world. Its regional competitor, Sea Limited, the company behind Shopee and Garena, has even entered various markets around the world, and to many surprises, it is slowly gaining traction in those countries. We believe that Grab's entrance into different sectors is also an entrance to different markets around the world. The investments into London-based tech companies to Indian hotel services already showcases this dream of becoming one. But clearly, this won't be as easy as it looks like. As the region grows, competitors around the world may look to enter the market, both in its old products and upcoming ones. Indonesia's Go-To Group, who is also expected to go public in the New York Stock Exchange, is also a regional competitor. And don't forget that a region ripe for massive growth is usually met with government regulations to ensure that monopolistic companies do not take place. Anyway, what do you think about how Grab went from a ride-hailing company to becoming one of the world's most valuable businesses? Share with us your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to leave us a like and follow us for more amazing videos.